Black cloth, they do content.
Hello, my wonderful online families, everyone watching, viewing, and engaging with my posts. I just want to take a moment to say how much I appreciate every single one of you. Do you know what your love, support, and encouragement has done to me? It has inspired me every single day. You see, I woke up this morning feeling incredibly thankful. Not just for the gift of life and this beautiful day, but also for the blessings around me. I feel so privileged to be part of this amazing compound. If you are in my shoe, I know you will feel the same too, right? Just imagine fresh food everywhere. Plantain, banana, and so much more. It's like a fresh farm, you all know that, right? A garden overflowing with gifts of nature. Wow, wow.
It's from that bunch of banana. Why I keep it there? So we are going to share it to the compound people here. They will stay with that. Hey. These people, why are you bringing them up? Those people,
Only person one.
which one?
She's student.
Is she around?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure if
Watch.
I want to banana.
That's for 1,000. You said this for 1,000. Okay, where will you see
Which
it?
kind of 1,000,
You know
2,000?
why they sell this banana? I said, what kind of one day?
Hannah,
Eee,
said-
banana who wants to buy banana?
they say, Maureen is lucky and then a compound do what farm. Now, no, never back at my yard in April. No, whatever we would that kind of compound. That makes you in the common kitchen. No, we're the kind of compound.
Go and bring, pause that thing, then I go and bring my shirts. Bring my top.
I content, I'm going to content.
Oh, yeah.
She's a quiet person, so no.
Black cloth, they do content.
Oh, yeah, wait. Let me wear my clothes. Please, let me wear my
What have you
clothes.
done, Kwebine?
Yes, no, what he for
Okay.
belly. Let me wear my clothes. Enough of this naked body. So, I've worn my clothes now. So, we started sharing the banana. Abi, prosper, yeah.
I want people that in the house.
Prosper. So, okay, let me bring out for her. I think she will take this.
You're taking to Abidas.
Okay, that's my own. Oh yeah, carry.
Now that one prosper want to come.
Only my next time, what I to eat.
I don't know. Prosper refused to take much banana. I don't know. He was just telling me to carry the big one. Can you imagine? Saying that he will be the one to lick all. I was like, what of your mom? I said, no, his mom. Although his mother has told me before that she does not really like it. That was what she told me before. You understand? And he too is saying the same thing, that he will take most of it to his lesson. That means he wants to go and share to his friends.
Like me now, I'm
So,
always in
okay.
the compound. You understand now? If I'm not around, Ella is around to carry. Ella is around to carry it. She loves it. She's always looking for her window. Mommy, see another one. Mommy, see another one. So, see banana. This is what I got. This is my own. This.
This is money, making money with the banana.
Abi now. And this is my own share. Then my neighbor, I'm going to give her this one. Do you understand? So,
We are
Prosper,
lucky for being this
my sweet boy, he has carried his own. All right.
We are happy to stay in this.
Bye, guys.
I'm enjoying my compound, though. I'm enjoying this compound. Do you have this compound? Do you have this
kind of
compound?
If you have this kind of compound, put it in our comment section. Put it in.
I've been out. So, Ella, come and walk. Come and carry the plant, banana, go inside.
I pray you are having a great day also wherever you are. May your day be as fruitful and fulfilling as this garden I get to call home. Stay blessed and keep growing together, just like the plants in this compound.
Just put it at the entrance there.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you all. I love you. Chichi loves you. Chichi loves you. You all know that. Chichi loves you
So
all.
I'm going to lick banana.
Bye.
You know, I don't usually eat morning food, so morning food has come now. Since it's fruits, at least by 10, 11, I should be able to take it. You will be taking banana to school, Daddy. Carry that one. Put it together with the other ones. Come and carry this one and put it separate. You see that plantain is finished. That plantain that I cut the other time, everything finished.